Assalamualaikum everyone. In today's video we are going to solve end of year 2022-2021 section A. We are going to solve in this video. So this is the first question which is related, and you have to use 0 power, which is always 1. Then there is third part where you need to factorize. So if you look carefully, this is the first method of factorization. So then there is another question which is related to simultaneous equations. So the question is line which statement is not true about the line y is equal to -2. So let's draw this line first so that we can compare the statements carefully. So first statement is when x is equal to -2, the value of y is 0. So when x is equal to -2, value of y is 0. This is incorrect because value of y is always -2. It's a constant value which y holds. So second is the line is parallel to x-axis. That's true. Third is the line meets the y-axis at 0, -2. That's also correct. And D part is for any value of x, y is always -2. Yes, that's also true. So A part is the incorrect option because we need to see which statement is not correct. So moving on to last part, that is also related to our syllabus. So which statement is not true about this shape? It's a kite. Yes, it is a kite. Then there is no line of symmetry. So we all know kite is having one line of symmetry, so this is a wrong statement. Then let's see the next one. Kite is having rotational symmetry of order 1, 2 adjacent equal sides. That's also true. So we have to highlight the one which is not true so we can easily find out. Moving on to question number 2, it's about evaluate. I told you evaluate means that you need to find answer. You have to find the answer. You should not be writing in index form. So 7 square is 49, 7 to the power 1 is 7, and 7 power 0 is 1. 49 plus 1 is 50 minus 7, 43 is your answer. Second part is 9 ki raised to power 1 by 2. So it's rational indices. So in which you need to do prime factorization. So 9 can be written in form of 3 square, 1 by 2. 9 raised to power 0 is 1. So this 2 is cancelled. So we are left with 3 plus 1 equal 4. Next question is 5 raised to power 3 whole power -2. So power of power is multiplied plus divided by -6. So law number 2, -6 minus -6. So -6 plus 6, it's 0 pair. So answer would be 1. So moving on to next question, factorize and simplify. So you can see there are 4 terms. So it's method number 2. We have to change the groups. We have to make groups and then we have to take the common out. X is common from first 2 terms and 2 is common from the next 2. So the factors are x plus 5 and x plus 2. Moving on to next question, where you need to factorize and simplify the expressions. So write all them separately and then apply the rules. Writing separately makes understanding better. So y raised to power 3 minus 2, 1 by 2, x minus 2, y raised to power 1. So we have simplified, but there is a negative power, so let's reciprocal it. Y by 2x square. Moving on to next question. This is the next question related to simultaneous equations. There are 2 points given for the first equation as well as for the second equation. So we need to solve the missing values. So for the first equation, let's solve when x is equal to 0, y was 2. When x was 4, so put 4 in place of x in the equation and then solve it. So y is coming 2, y is coming 0. So we have got 2 points for the first equation. Let's write them down. These are called Cartesian points. So first point is 0, 2 and second point is 4, 0. So moving on to second equation, which is x minus y is equal to 3. So let's put x 0 in the equation. So we are getting minus y 3, so y is equal to minus 3. So I got 2 points for the second equation also. So I can write down Cartesian points. First point is 0 minus 3 and second point is 3, 3. So you all know that 2 points are more than enough to draw a straight line on the graph paper. So let's mark the points. So 0, 2 would be marked here. 4, 0 will be marked on x-axis. So there is a graph. So I'm drawing it roughly with hands so that I am having an estimation, or let's see how this will go. So for the second equation, let's draw. First point was 0 minus 3 on the y-axis and second point is in the first quadrant, 3, 3. So I'm making a graph again because I am not having scale right now. So I can see the intersecting point or the solution point. So it is approximately 2, 1. This is the solution point. So next point or next part of this question is that write down the value of x and y from the solution point. So x is 2 and y is equal to 1. This is giving me 2 marks just for finding the solution point. So moving on to next question. This question says that state the statement is true or false. First is the kite is having 2 lines of symmetry. We all know that kite is having 1 line of symmetry, so this is a false statement. Second is the diagonals of a rhombus is bisecting at the right angle. Let's draw it. So please remember that the diagonals of rectangle, square, rhombus, they all are forming 90 degree over each other. So isosceles trapezium is having more than 1 line of symmetry. It's a false statement. Parallelogram has rotational symmetry of order 4. Again, a false statement. Parallelogram has no lines of symmetry. This is again a false. This is a true statement that there is no lines of symmetry. So that must be a parallelogram. So, but I have written it false. True statement. So I have missed. If it is written that no in that, so please make correction here. So there is missing angle you need to find for the given quadrilateral. So we all know that total sum of angle, interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So we can find it through formula also. Formula of interior angle is n minus 2 into 180. So in this shape, n is 4. N basically is the number of vertices of shape. So 360 because 2 is multiplied with 180. So now we can write down the interior angle or angle sum of quadrilaterals. We will write down, let's call this unknown angle x, and then we will write down x plus 50 plus 130 plus 128 is equal to the 360 degree. Don't forget to make these angle signs. So the total sum is coming 308. So bring this 308 on the other side of the equation. So you will have 360 minus 308. So the answer is 52 degrees. So that is a sensible answer, because x is you can say an acute angle, so angle must be less than 90 degree. Thank you for watching.